Greetings. My name is Ia Shakoya Karaday, affectionately known as Coach Ia. I am the founder and CEO of the Athletic Arts Academy located in Orange, New Jersey. The Academy is a 10,500 square foot Olympic style youth fitness and licensed child care center. As a child growing up in the city, I learned to flip on discarded mattresses, sidewalks, and parking lots, grass when it was available. There was always someone organizing a foot race, kickball, or jump rope game. Later, I attended a school district with a formal gymnastics program, among other sports. Sports saved my life. Altogether, adulthood, motherhood, and work experience gave me the tools to return the favor by creating a safe space for children to experience joy and make wonderful self discoveries. Reports state that 95% of women in the C suite participated in sports. The Academy tackles generational poverty by modeling entrepreneurship. We provide physical exercise, potentially preventing illnesses like childhood diabetes and depression. We build confidence, grit, and self worth utilizing the sport of gymnastics. We are conveniently located for working families, offering a positive, open culture with professionalism, responsibility, and dependability. We serve children aged two and above, beginners through competitive levels. We host competitions, birthday parties, and fundraising events. Our school district and municipal recreation department collaborations allow us to reach a greater number of children from local communities. We circulate revenue back into our communities by hiring young adults we've trained as youths. We are the only competitive gymnastics program in Essex County. As CEO, I am a national level coach and an optional rated judging official. As a leader, I am eccentric. I love music and all things creative, but I am truly happiest when I see the light bulb go on in a child's mind and their hearts aglow. Yes, the Athletic Arts Academy is a labor of love and a reflection of what's great in the community we serve. We are living proof of perseverance, ingenuity, and resourcefulness, all valuable skills our future leaders will need to problem solve and make their dreams come true. A win for the Athletic Arts Academy is a win for generations to come. Thank you, Founders First, for providing this platform and grant opportunity.